morning. Waking up here in the Hokianga harbour, open only. Came up yesterday. Had a pretty big trip. Hey my boy, is that a new puppy? He's a Jack Russell Poodle cross. He's about 12 weeks old. His name's Bentley. Hey my boy. And yeah, just at the mother-in-law's house. So this Hokianga harbour here, we're in Opanoni, famous for the dolphin, and about to be picked up and get out on the harbour.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to?
Right team, so this is home for Anna, and here we are. Hokianga harbour. Delete my boy Nick Parsons. Cheer the boy. Music courtesy of Anna. Let's go. Here we are team. Sun setting. Beautiful day here in the Hokianga harbour.
I'm control of the camera.
Rolling some deletes. Cullen's going to get his photography on. Going to take the whole whānau. Little down for a walkie. Let's go. So far so good. So just dropped into the beach. First time with the pup. Good times, eh Bentley? Good times, my boy. Look at the dogs, don't they love it? Have you heard it before? If you haven't, it's a classic. So here we are at the Mania Centre in Opanoni, learning all about the history, what it means in the dunes and everything. If you're up here, I highly recommend you get up and check. It was an awesome experience. Kids out there doing a bit of wakarama while we sit here having ice cream. Look at them go.
Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Throwing a cigarette or something out a window, and here we've got 4 helicopters trying to put this mess out. Looks like they've been going all night on it. I know the fire started last night. Here we are in the Waipoa forest. Just dropped in to see Lord of the Forest, Tani Mahuta.
This is the 360 first.
Last day here on the Hookie, we shot up and saw Tani Mahuta, as you would have seen, and we've just ended up shooting up the pub, playing a bit of pool and stuff. Bit of a quiet one, but a good one nonetheless. Here we are, last morning in Hokianga, and it's the little fella's birthday. A little hall here that he's about to tear open. I'm pretty sure Bentley's going to help him open them. On the road to buy here.
Go squeezing a bit more, Kelly?
Teens are going across to the dunes to go sandboarding, so good for them.
Caitlin, Diamond and Co.
We got some puppy zoomies for the power show this morning. What better friend does a boy need? Just touched down by here, Bay of Islands. Going in and see if we can find some refreshments.
From all my slip-ups and mistakes, and I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kellen. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Now blow. Hey!
Thank you.
Just a stunning day up here in the Bay of Islands. Oh, what are you doing? Off to see Hole in Rock today. Should be a good trip. Here we go. Off on the boat, hopefully to find some dolphins. See the sights of these beautiful Bay of Islands. How good. So Thursday the 21st of January. Wife's running behind, trying to sort the dog out, leaving with Nanny Jude. Hopefully he behaves through. He's been a bit niggly when Anna's not around him. So yeah, we'll probably just sleep. You can tell these guys don't get on the boat too much. We've got full fizz here on the dolphins. Full fizz.
Screaming, it's my child. They'd be very, very happy to see dolphins. I said, oh, that's okay. Now, there's lots of room around the boat. I notice everybody's running to this side, that side. If you stay where you are, push the fish to the surface and the fish.
Oh, we got a bit of a show going on here.
Pilchards, herrings, anchovies, all those little tiny baby fish. So this is what we're looking for.
Dolphin, there,
And we found it this morning, so good spotting, Jim. Well done. Okay, so here we are, the hole in the rock. There it is in front of us. And if you folks are wondering what the fuss is all about, basically it's a big hole in a big rock. drove, there was a lot of movement there, and all of a sudden things just...
Two for you, just come down together with the car now. Past 5, we're reboarding.
It's one of those moments where you realise you don't need to get on the plane, eh? Check out this. This is clear bays, clear water, standard paddleboards, kayak, everything you need in one spot. Urupupo, Ka'o, Tahi Bay, absolutely stunning. Everybody go up. Untouched water's up north, eh?
Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom? Just take me back to you. Wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. I just wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you.
Looks like we may have found the limits of this paddleboard. We've got two 19-year-olds and an 11-year-old. No good for it. Excuse me, puppy. Excuse me. Oi. Oi. He's trying to dig his way under me by the looks.
Want me to again? One, two, go. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Mum. Then go. Oh, get it. Good boy. You're so quick. You're so quick. Good boy. Well done. Well done. Good boy.
Touching down in. Just packing up, wrapping up here in Pai here. It's Friday and probably time to get back to the work. Gotta say, first proper road trip with the box. It's a bloody dream. We've got on it 2 sets of golf clubs, a skateboard, helmet, stand-up paddleboard, 3 vests, 4 towels, picnic blanket, and probably some other stuff, which left our entire boot for 4 people's luggage, dog mats, dog beds, dog cages, all the space to spare. Great investment, absolutely love it. So yeah, the wife's just gone out to walk the dog while we wait for the kids to get up. I've been packing up, fueled up, and we'll be on our way. Here we are in traffic jam mode, so the car's driving itself. We've just ticked on 1,500 kilometres and we're just coming up the Kaimais here, so that concludes our weekend away. The dog was a dream in the car. He's been hanging out with the boys for the last couple of hours from Auckland, and yeah, that was our little Northland adventure. Wrapping it up on the 22nd of January. Thanks for following. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I haven't been posting much. If you want me to, tell me what you want to see. Get back into it. All the best, 21.